Today we're taking a closer look at the trailer hitch for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JLs. If you need a reliable towing compatibility or a handy hitch-mounted accessory solution, this hitch delivers a strong functionality and a bolt-on package. This trailer hitch receiver is rated for a 3,500 pound gross trailer weight and a 350 pound tongue weight. Constructed from high-grade alloy steel, it's finished in textured black powder coat finish, and it's built to resist corrosion and endure harsh road conditions. Another nice feature is that the installation requires no drilling or modifications, and the hitch is going to bolt directly to the factory mounting points using the hardware included in the kit for a clean OEM style fit. If you're needing to tow a trailer or a boat with your JL, this is a quality option for adding that capability. Now, another great feature I would have to argue is actually the price point. Coming in that $100 price range, it's really hard to find something that custom fit to your car, adding these capabilities at this price point. This hitch has a one-piece welded assembly designed for strength and structural integrity. The rugged welds and the premium steel ensure long-lasting durability. It's ready for trail use and everyday towing demands. As far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that $100 price range. That's an impressively low price for a vehicle-specific hitch that offers the compatibility of 3,500 pounds of capacity and simple installation. Speaking of the installation on this, it's rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and if everything goes smooth, you can have it on in as little as 10 minutes of your time. Now let's check out exactly how that install works with a video from one of our extreme terrain customers.
Tools you will need: ratchet with an 18 mil piece. I used a crescent wrench and a combo 19 millimeter for the parts provided.
Okay, so the first step is to locate the cross member behind the rear bumper. This is what we're going to attach the hitch receiver to. And I'm going to want to remove these bolts here. There's 2 of them. Okay, so I had to loosen these up a little bit because they were pretty tight. Okay, it looks like there's a piece here that I might need to remove. It's blocking. Okay, I didn't have to take off the bumper, but I did have to loosen up these bolts here to be able to shimmy out this piece. It's blocking this space right here. All right, back to the install. Okay, gonna put these on. The trailer harness bracket. Oops. All right, now time to tighten everything.
That wraps up our review and install of the trailer hitch for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JLs. And for all things Wrangler, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.